In today's video, we're going to reveal how Criss Angel performed the incredible trick. Let's do a recap. The magician has two volunteers, a male and a female, and he asks them to lie comfortably on a park bench or platform. Then he requests two additional spectators to assist him in completing the trick, bringing the total number of people involved to 6. The male volunteer has two people holding him in place. One holds his legs and the other holds his hands. The same applies to the female volunteer. Criss Angel instructs them to relax and begins making magic gestures on the female volunteer's stomach. Next, he asks the people holding the female volunteer's hands and legs to pull, creating the illusion that her body is being cut in half. As the audience reacts in shock, Criss Angel appears to attach the upper body of the female volunteer to the lower body of the male volunteer and vice versa. So how did he perform this incredible trick? I'll break it down for you. The video was recorded in under 5 minutes, which was broadcasted for the audience. However, the actual recording took significantly longer, almost 3 to 4 hours, as evident from the shadows. If you observe closely, you'll notice that the shadow of the tree doesn't cover the trash can, the woman, or any part of the sidewalk initially. Yet just 30 seconds later, the shadow covers all three, confirming that this wasn't a continuous shot. 4 people were required to perform this illusion, 2 actors with normal bodies and 2 torso doubles, one for the lady and one for the guy. The doubles resemble the actors. Notice how the audience reacts when the split occurs. Their over-the-top reaction suggests they're paid actors. Since the trick was performed on both the lady and the guy, I'll reveal how it was done on the lady, and you can apply the same logic to the guy. The lady walks onto the bench and lies down, staying in position to allow for a seamless camera cut to her double. The camera cut occurs exactly when the exchange takes place, and the lady is replaced off-camera with her torso double. Mechanical legs are then placed on the bench, and the torso double is connected to them. Criss Angel disconnects the mechanical legs when he touches the waist, creating the illusion of splitting a person in half. Notice how the lady's legs appear thinner after the split. That's because Criss Angel used mechanical legs controlled by an assistant. After the split, the torso double screams and acts dramatically. Her face isn't shown much because she's not the original lady. When pausing the video, you can see that the guy looks different from the original due to the sunglasses, which were used as a cover-up. For the final part of the trick, the original actors exchange clothes during the camera cut, creating the illusion that their lower bodies have reconnected. Let me know what you think in the comments.